You on Dad's gonna record you now. What are you doing, you monkey? Yeah, what's your mom doing?
Love you. You're gonna make stream. Excuse me.
Oh.
Hi, Anya. How are you? Great. How are you doing?
You relaxed?
What? Are you gonna leave soon?
Yeah.
Soon.
You better put that back on your finger. They won't be able to get a reading. Hurry up.
Love you.
It needs to go back on your finger. Hurry. Hurry before the readings stop. Yep, there you go. Close it. It's like a little alligator biting your finger.
Does that make you tired? Are you tired?
You're not tired? Not sleepy at all?
No.
No?
You feel funny? What's it feel like? Floating in the sky?
Poop.
What?
You feel like poop?
Poop.
What is going on there?